Hello back in App Office. So I finally received my Ryzen 9 7950X, 16 cores, 32 threads, 5.7 max boost, 4.5 GHz base. Right? Nice little small packaging. I believe Intel and AMD save a fortune by making small packages. Right, let's take a knife off. Ta-da! Nice and very nice. You have to admit the CPU looks a bit like from the space. I like it. Okay. Alright. That's how it comes out. Let's check the packaging, what else is inside. Oh, all that is a big foam, right? This is some kind of manual, some documentation. No one reads that. Okay, so it's quite easy. Let's see what is it. The sticker. That sticker is a golden sticker. That sticker is good. Okay, let's open. Alright. It's unbelievable how small it is compared to my Threadripper, and nearly the same performance. Quite heavy, I have to say.
Oh, that's quite. It looks quite.
No pins at this time, all flat. Okay, so follow my videos because I will install it in my ASRock X670 Steel Legend and see how it goes. Most interesting is how it will stack and compare my old Threadripper system, but I hope it's a nice move. Thank you, like and subscribe, follow next videos, bye for now.